In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ebook website in WordPress. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, click Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, type Starter. When you see a Starter or Starter Templates plugin from a trusted developer, click Install and then Activate. This tool gives you ready-made site designs so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Before moving on, make sure WooCommerce is installed and active. WooCommerce powers your store, products, and checkout. If you don't see it in your plugins list, go back to Plugins, search for WooCommerce, install it, and activate it. If you're prompted with setup screens, you can follow the basic prompts now or finish them later. Next, head to Starter Templates from your dashboard. You'll see a library of designs. Use the search bar and type Bookstore. Pick a template you like, click it, and preview the pages. You can customize colors, fonts, images, and text so it matches your brand. Replace any demo content with your own titles and images, swap in your logo, and adjust layouts to keep things clean and readable. When you're happy, click Continue, then Submit. The importer will take a moment to build your website and add the demo content. When the process finishes, view your site and click the book page. You should see sample books in place, which means the template was imported correctly. Now return to your WordPress dashboard so you can add your first ebook. From the left menu, click Products. Then click Add New. Enter the name of your ebook as the product title and write a clear description that tells readers what they'll get and who it's for. Add any important details such as categories or tags to help organize your store. Set a price that reflects the value of your content. Since this is a digital product, make sure it's set up for downloads. Look for the product data section and enable downloadable options. Then click the button to choose or upload your file. Locate your ebook file on your computer, give the file a clear name as customers will see it, and upload it. You can use formats like PDF, EPUB, or MOBI. Consider adding a cover image in the product image area to make it stand out in your store. When everything looks good, click Publish. Visit your site to confirm the ebook appears in your store and on the book page. That's it. You've created an ebook website in WordPress, imported a bookstore template, and added your first digital product.